Yo, get ready to do this new install, and you know, it's your boy LT, the Megalodon. So come ride with me, family, and we gon' glide and slide like you be riding down that dirt road after you just clean your car. Yes, sir. Now it's time to get off that dirt road and get on that pavement. Yes, sir. And we already know that you cannot do a unit without securing the fade. Yes, sir. And there I am heels doing this fade. Yes, sir. Now it's time to play with the glue. And it ain't nothing better than smoothing this glaze right across the top of this man's head. Yes, sir. And this is the start of the show. And if you got any problems in your life, it don't last always. And I'm cutting this down just like you be cutting people out your life. Showing this for all the non-believers. There's a lot of people out there that don't really like the things that I do or how I go about doing them. Give me my flowers while I'm here. And the haters can go with this cone. Stage left. Because I'ma be me. Don't let my confidence offend your insecurities. And I'm LT the Megalodon. And I'm gone.